First, drag the image of cars. Transform and place it accordingly. Then drag the image of girl and place it behind the car layers. Make layer mask of it. And paint black which area you want to remove. Use soft round brush tool to make it look like fading effect. Now, make a new adjustment layer of color balance, and increase the blue or cyan values accordingly to match its balance with background. Make groups by selecting layers and pressing Ctrl+G. Now, drag another image and place it above background layer. Make layer mask and choose gradient of white and black. Keep black on which area you want to remove and white which area you want to retain. Now, drag another image of sky and place above it. Adjust its position and size properly. Now, drag the image of ray background, adjust its position, and change its blending mode to screen. Now make the new adjustment layer of exposure above the girl image. Increase exposure, and then fill its layer mask to black. Then slowly paint white on layer mask, on areas which you want to be bright as rays falling directly on it. Now, make another adjustment layer of exposure, and this decrease its exposure. Again, fill the layer mask with black. Then paint white with brush on the areas which you want to be dark, means that are opposite to rays. Then repeat the same process on both the cars one by one. Now, drag the image of cloud, place it above white car, and change its blending mode to screen. Make duplicate by pressing Alt and dragging a bit. Now, make a new layer above girl image and paint very light blue color on it to make it hazy. Repeat the same above white car as well. Type text with Text tool. Change its font to Baybos. Adjust its size and position. Make duplicate by pressing Alt and dragging it, then edit the text. Change its font to Hansta Signature. Change its font to Futura MDBT. Now, make a rectangle and write text above it. Right-click on Luxury Text Layer and choose Blending Options. Choose Gradient tab and adjust the values accordingly. Choose Black Overlay Color in Blending Options for another text layer. Just copy the effects on other text layers now. Now make a circle layer. And choose Blending Options. Use Stroke, Inner Glow, Outer Glow, Gradient, and adjust the values accordingly. Write text on it. Change its font to Burbank Bid Condensed Bold. Now make the duplicate. Change its font to Stretch Pro. Now, drag the image of birds and place it accordingly. Make new adjustment layer of exposure and decrease the exposure. Make new adjustment layer of solid color. Choose light blue color. Change its blending mode to screen, then fill the layer mask with black color, then paint white on layer to make the glow effect. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E to merge all the layers together. Choose Camera Raw filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.